Hey guys,
Hey.
glad you can join us again. Just wanted to shoot this quick video and just talking to you guys, telling you guys to drink more coffee.
Glenn loves coffee.
And why am I telling you guys to drink more coffee? Again, if you guys have checked out our channel, checked out what we've offered, we're always talking about marketing, guys. So I don't care what business you're in, the purpose, the key to your business succeeding is is advertising. And there we teach you guys how to advertise for free and low paid ways to advertise. So what does this have to do with coffee, you're asking? What it has to do is during the week, guys, me and Miss Kerry, we always go out for walks, and we walk out to our local Starbucks, which is probably about a mile away from our home. And most of the times I have this shirt, I'll put a shot up on the screen where I say my wife buys mobile homes. So you see, I'm always advertising regardless if it's online, offline. You just have to keep advertising, guys, because you never know who's going to see what you're offering. You're just planting the seeds, and the rest going to take care of itself. So we were in the Starbucks, we're getting coffee, and I was standing in line again with my shirt on, and the shirt is printed in the front and in the back so people can see it from either side. And this lady and her daughter were sitting down. I guess they saw the shirt. And as we were getting our coffee and walking out, the lady stopped us. She's like, "Oh, you say your wife buys mobile homes? This is her?" I was like, "Yeah." And you can take the rest and tell them the rest of the story.
Yes, and then that's when the lady asked me, "You buy mobile homes?" And I was like, "Yes, ma'am." And she was like, "Well, my daughter's looking for a mobile home, and what do you guys have? You know, because she's looking." And then I started asking her. Then I was like, "Okay, can you tell me what type of mobile home are you looking for? You know, how many bedrooms, how many beds?"
Right.
And then I also asked her what is her price range. And what I did was I took her information.
Right.
And we have a number that we often give to the people who inquire. And when they call that number, they no, actually not a number. We have a website.
Right.
And then
with the link.
with the link. And whenever they go to that website, they're able to fill out a form. We have them to fill out a form, and then they put their details in it, and then they put what they're looking for and what's their price range, and all of that. And that's another way of building your buyer's list.
Exactly, very true. And we kind of outlined that what she's describing to you guys in the material. So again, go check it out. We tell you how to set up the link, how to set up the numbers and stuff like that, and how to build a massive buyers list quickly. That way, guys, when you get that mobile home, you have a list that's waiting. It's really like going shopping. Once people tell you what they're looking for, you just all you have to do is go and find it.
Right.
So that's how simple it is, guys.
Right.
So that was the purpose in us putting out this video, is to tell you guys always advertise, because you never know who will see it.
Never know.
There's always people looking for affordable housing. Again, that's the thing that's great about mobile homes. And it was a young girl, right?
Yes, a young girl with her mother.
Just starting out.
Just starting out, yes. So again, we were able to provide her with a link that she can go to, so that she can fill out a form, and that way she's on our buyers list now. So whenever we come across that type of mobile home that she's looking for within her price range,
right,
I can contact her directly and let her know what we have.
Absolutely. So guys, again, check out the material. We show you again how to do all of this, what Miss Kerry is talking about, what I'm outlining to you guys. Again, you're getting this stuff for pennies, guys. So you really have nothing to lose. Between us, 2 decades of experience in the mobile home investing space. So, and again, no fluff, guys.
Right.
Straight to the point, and it will definitely help you guys out. So,
it will. And I just want to add, you have to work it now.
Right. It's not going to work.
With anything, it will not work if you don't work.
Right.
You have to work it, but if you work it, you will see the rewards.
Absolutely. She knows, guys. Living proof of it. So, again, guys, we hope you enjoyed it. Always keep marketing, and you never know who will see what you're offering, and you never know what folks are looking for. You just have to put it out there, guys. So, cheers to you. Drink more coffee. We'll talk to you later.
Bye-bye, guys.